Guys, part 2 kasi nawala ng time yung yung isa. Kaya lingi ko na siya agad para hindi na kayo maghanap-hanap pa. Wala kayong nakita. Ito nga is tignan nyo naman. Sa first floor so inilagay ko yung alcohol na wala namang loob. Hanggang dito siya, pero nagsasumagado, pero may pakumi. Sorry guys, di ako nakakapost kasi busy pa ako sa school. Again. Yung bagong nilagyan natin guys. Yay! Hindi kasi ako acrylic. Hindi yung parang basta. Pasok ko yung totoo niya. Habang magmadali ako kasi ayaw ko talaga gumawa na ng part.
The story begins with a boy named Reno looking at a girl and thinking she seems distant for some reason. This is the first day of high school, and Miss Miyahira tells them, "I'm your homework teacher." Everyone listens to her silently, and she tells them to give an introduction.
That is my melody for second floor, which is yung
He remembers he never really fit in during middle school because of how unfriendly he looked. But I'm going to befriend whoever sits next to me, he decides. Just then, he looks beside her, and it's the girl who just finished her introduction. He realizes he missed her introduction. He looks at her notebook for her name. It's at her. He wishes her good morning, but she just stares at him and then looks forward. He thinks, is it a cold shoulder? Maybe she is afraid of how I look. He then thinks of talking with her with a smile. But again, when he talks, she remains silent. He thinks of not giving up and imagines if they become friends. His high school life is going to be the best. He tries to start the convo, but she won't say a word.
Diyan, magpa-part 3 na naman tayo. Bahala na kayo. Napin na lang sa profile ko yung part 3.
He looks back and thinks, I must have imagined. He leaves, and she looks at him silently. Next day in class, he looks at her and thinks, even though she sits next to me, she is so far away. Just then, her eraser falls off. Rachel picks it up and gives it to her. She just looks at him and looks forward. He then leans forward, saying, you dropped this, and she just takes it. As the class ends, she appears in front of him. She
oh my lord.
Her voice is too quiet to be
heard. Hala ka.
But she still sounds so far away. He remembers that day and thinks, did she actually say something? She then speaks in his ear that she forgot her book. Next, she sits close to him.
Guys, hindi kayo daw ako magpa-part 3.
She's just like a dog.
Lagay lang kita dyan, babe.
And he asks, do you need something? Now, during break, she's sitting too close to him. She opens her bento box, and Reno thinks it seems oversized for her. She tries to feed it, and he says, okay, I'll try it, so stop. Afterwards, she finishes her whole lunch, and he looks at her, thinking she has a way bigger appetite. After school, they walk towards home together. She looks at him, and he realizes he wants to go to a game and ball. They stop at a photo booth and take a picture.
Yes,
She throws something in his ear. Karaoke.
Ay, naalala na ito. Yung stand na, na sila yung stand. Yan ka na sa top
The next morning, when she enters the class, she ignores the greeting from him and sits on her seat and looks out of the window. Reno doesn't understand why she's behaving that way. As he tells her, was she acting weird?